friends, I'm Miss Raena, and today we are making egg shakers. If you have some plastic eggs laying around, or if you're able to get some, they make great shakers. But if you don't have them, you can really use any kind of a container that you have at home. It can be a small paper cup, as long as you then put something over the other end to close it up, or a toilet paper tube, a little cardboard tube, again using something to cover up either side once you've got it. You really only need two things to make these: a container of some kind, like an egg, and you need something to rattle, something to make the sound. What I have here is a little bag of some beads. These are just little plastic beads. You could also use dried beans or dry rice. You just want something that'll make sound when you shake it up. And you can also, if you want to make sure they're really secure, you can use glue or tape to cover up the edges if you're using an egg like this, to make sure it won't fall apart. If that's something you're worried about, if you're going to use glue, you just have to wait a little while for the glue to dry, and then they'll be set to go. So you're going to take a plastic egg, if you have one of those. We're going to open it up, and we're going to take some beads. I'm just going to use a small amount at first, and I will show you that here. So I just have a handful of beads. I'm going to take one end of my plastic egg, and I'm going to fill it up a little bit with the beads. So you can see I have just a few beads in there, just a few of them. It's not super full, so there'll still be a lot of space. That way when I shake it, they have room to move around and make a good rattle sound. If it's full all the way up, they're going to be too tightly compressed together and they won't really make as much noise. But you can definitely experiment and like take some out, add some extra, see how it sounds different. If you have a lot of extra eggs or containers that you're using, you can make a few different shakers, and you can use different amounts of beads or whatever you're using, and you can have a few different kinds of shaker sounds, and that could be really fun too. So now that they're in there, I'm just gonna put the egg together. Make sure it's nice and tight so they don't go flying everywhere. And that's it. Makes a fun rattle sound. And I'm just gonna hold it like this, but especially if you have really small ones at home that you might be worried about it breaking apart and having your beads fly everywhere, you can definitely glue them together or add some tape just to make extra sure that it stays together. Let's make another one real quick. I have one more egg here, so we're gonna open it up, grab a few beads. Okay, putting our beads into the egg, and then we're gonna close it up. Nice and tight, make sure it stays together. And now we've got two shakers. All right, now we have our shakers. Let's sing a little song with them. This is called Shake Your Shakers. Shake your shakers in the air, shake them here, shake them there. Shake your shakers in the air, shake your shakers. Shake them high and shake them low, shake them fast, shake them slow. Shake your shakers in the air, shake your shakers. Yay, that was so much fun. And they've got the attention of my cat. If you have cats, you know they like things that rattle too, so be careful if you do have them. They may want to steal your shakers from you. Thank you so much for making these with me today. They were super fun, and you can use them to make some music and sing songs at home. You can use them for some fun story times. There's a lot of great resources out there from other libraries across the United States and Canada where they do tons of fun shaker songs that you can sing along to. So make sure to check them out, have lots of fun, and I'll see you next time.